What's up, YouTube? Foster with Tech a Day. And yeah, you see it. The Razr Fold 2026. I couldn't be more excited to unbox this. This might be the first retail US unit unboxing on YouTube, because I don't think anyone else has put one out, and this might be the first. So let's go ahead and do it. We're seeing this real time. I haven't opened it. Oh man, come on now. So that's interesting. These aren't even, the tape ain't even on the first one. Oh, right, this ain't. Gotta get the knife because it ain't. Pull tabs are trash. So, all right, let's see what's in the box. All right, so I can tell you right off the bat, which we had questions. For the US models, you do not get a case in the box. I was wondering what was going to come, but you just get, all you get is books, SIM ejector tool, USB cable. That's it. That's all you get. You get a little, get some little reading material you don't need. But yeah, that's all you get. There is no case in the box for the US unit. I know most of our counterparts, seems like across the world, got cases in a box, but we did not. So I have to check. I know my boy Maz over at Maz's Tech Reviews, I believe he got a case with his, but I gotta ask. I have to ask him and see. But this is the unit. Let's see what we got. I mean, so it initially feels good in the hand. Giggity. All right, let's get this thing out. Okay, all right. First look at that crease. You know, I know it's gonna fold. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. I ain't folded it yet, but it's not as bad as I thought. It's not, it seemed like it was heavier just based on the specs. All right, so here is the Galaxy Fold 7, right? And let's just get a size comparison real quick to see between these two. Interesting. I mean, it is very close. Okay, so I can't tell if you can see that. It is, I mean, ever so slightly. It's ever so slightly bigger. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, I thought it was going to be a little, I mean, it is bigger, but it's not that much bigger. I did think it was, you know, I can't even tell really with the inner screens if it's bigger. I'd have to get a measuring tape out to really see, you know, if which one is bigger. But I mean, it really looks like they are very close, like almost identical, even though one is, I mean, it's slightly bigger than the other one. So that's interesting. That's very interesting. Feels great. There's that camera system right there. That's going to be amazing. Let's get that first power up. Ooh, that screen looks amazing. That screen looks amazing. So just to refresh, we got a 6.6 outer, and then we got an 8.1 inch inner, and and so this is the this is with the Huawei, the wide fold. I mean, even if you take it like this, I mean, you can see where it's slightly, you got that extra real estate going to the side from the Razr Fold, but when you go the tall way, it's close. That's the Huawei. Kind of seeing what the Huawei looks like with it. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing booted up. Let's do the first. Ooh. And see, that's the good thing. So the interesting thing about this that I didn't feel on the Motorola Signature, that this for some reason this back feels slightly jagged a little bit on the edges, but it feels good in the hand. This is interesting. I'm telling you, it's interesting because it feel like it was. I thought it was going to be big. It felt like it should have been bigger, like N6, N5 level. But I don't have an N5 here currently, but I feel like the N5 is bigger than this for some reason. But they should be about the same size, spec wise. But it lines up with the. It's weird. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So I do like it. I do like it. I will say I will keep an eye on this crease. But the crease is it's one of those things where you kind of can see it, but it's a lot less pronounced in real life than what you see in pictures and reviews and stuff like that, from videos. And I've tried not to watch any full reviews from anyone else, but I've seen, some of those early videos from, I think it was the Vegas show, and some of the ones from when it was announced officially in Hollywood. And I was like, oh man, that crease looks bad. But I will say it's not. Like, it is actually pretty good. I thought it was on the same level as the Google Pixel. I take that back. It's not. Google Pixel is still the worst crease on the planet. This is not bad. Granted, it's day one, but like, you see it, but you don't really feel it. And again, day one. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, to keep a look at my description, I got a curated list with my partners over at Amazon, and we got all the cases and screen protectors all put in one big list for you. I got one on the way. I thought it was supposed to be here today, but I think it's just out for delivery. But take a look, man. I earned a little commission on that, and it really helped me out, helped the channel. So I will come back. Take a look at my Instagram. I keep posting all day. But yeah, this thing is great so far, and I look forward to any other reviews. But this has been a quick unboxing of the first retail unit in the US. Talk to you guys later.